I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast. Happy Monday to you. Big time cool down, at least to start off this week after a very humid weekend with a mix of sun and clouds as we take a live look at our Cook's Auto Body Cam as we record this at about 2:30 in the afternoon on our Monday. In Uptown Normal over in Galesburg, mainly sunny conditions, blue sky. A little bit more cloudy right now over in Pontiac on our Lynn Chevrolet Buick Cam. Maybe, there we go. And over in East Peoria, looking pretty nice as well. Pretty cool time lapse we got last night with the rain and the sunset that we had. A little bit of a rainbow over the skyline of Peoria there from OSF, looking pretty cool over there. Then looking everything pretty quiet as we head through the next couple of days. In fact, very comfortable temperatures as we head into the start of the week. We're 19 degrees cooler than we were this time yesterday. Almost 30 degrees cooler in Chicago. Significantly cooler temperatures thanks to a cold front that's now moving over towards the east. Showers and storms now into Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and back into Tennessee. But high pressure in control for us, so we'll be pretty comfortable for at least the short term. 68 in Peoria, 64 in Bloomington and in Pontiac, and into the mid-70s out towards the west where you're seeing a decent amount of sunshine in Galesburg, Macomb, and Havana. Pretty comfortable across the Midwest after yesterday's highs topped out in the upper 80s and low 90s. We'll be benefiting from some much more comfortable air, at least for the early portion of the week. Pretty quiet weather right now going on in our watch and warning map. A few severe thunderstorm watches and warnings down to the south in portions of Alabama and into New Mexico. Nothing widespread severe really anticipated later on today. Wind flow still coming out of the north, drier air hanging around for our evening tonight, heading into our Tuesday as well. But you are seeing a shift in wind by midweek and into the end of the week. That will be here by Wednesday, and that's going to allow for warmer temperatures later on this week. We'll start to feel it by the midweek. Temperatures pretty comfortable as we get through the day. Tomorrow, mid-70s, a good bet across much of the central portions of the state. Watch out to the left portion of your screen. The heat building out west, 90s, and even near the century mark in portions of the southern plains. That's a lot of heat that's going to be building and moving to the east, and a lot of the models are indicating by the end of the week and into the holiday weekend, we're going to see that heat building our direction. Here's our longer range model. The big trough in the jet stream we have for today and tomorrow lifts and becomes a big ridge, and that is a very summer-like look as we head into the end of the week. Here's what our models are saying. By Wednesday, we're in the low 80s, upper 80s by Thursday. Same thing on Friday, and near 90 as we head into Saturday and Sunday, with our next chance of rain possibly coming over Memorial Day, which would be a week from today. So looking very warm. Enjoy the very comfortable temperatures while they last, because they won't be hanging around too much longer. That'll do it for this weather webcast on a Monday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a wonderful Monday evening.